that's gone already. That's gone already. That's none of your business. Call the town hall and find out. Call the town hall and find out. I'm telling you, Mike. I'm going to ask you like a gentleman. I wasn't swearing at anybody. I wasn't swearing at anybody. I wasn't swearing at anybody. It's like I'm not swearing to you. I'm telling you, I'm asking you as a gentleman, no weight. That means under 5 miles an hour if that's what it takes. Then we're square.